Welcome back to While You Are There.
New Zealand, the land of the long white cloud, is without a doubt an adventure seeker's paradise. With its stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and endless opportunities for thrills and excitement, it's no wonder why many travelers have it at the top of their bucket lists. But what makes New Zealand truly special is its ability to cater to all types of travelers, whether you're a seasoned adrenaline junkie or just looking for a relaxing getaway. Let's get started. First up, experience the breathtaking beauty of Milford Sound, one of the most stunning and beautiful places in the world. Marvel at the dramatic fjords, towering cliffs, and cascading waterfalls. Explore by boat, kayak, or hiking the nearby trails. Take a scenic drive as Milford Sound is the only accessible fjord by road in New Zealand. Limited accommodation options make it a perfect day trip from Now or Queenstown. A Milford Sound cruise is the best way to experience the whole length of fjord as you glide past thundering waterfalls and jagged cliff faces. If you're lucky, you might even see wildlife such as seals, dolphins, and seabirds. Next up, if you're looking for an adrenaline rush like no other,
You have to try bungee jumping in Queenstown. There's nothing quite like the thrill of leaping off a bridge and free falling towards the ground before your bungee cord stretches and swings you back up into the air. And if you're feeling extra brave, you can even opt for a tandem jump with a professional instructor. But bungee jumping is just the beginning. Next, experience the best of Auckland at the 328m high sky tower. With stunning panoramic views of the city and Hauraki Gulf, this iconic landmark offers 3 viewing platforms, a cafe, and restaurants. For thrill seekers, bungee jump from the top or walk around the outside platform at 192m high. An unforgettable experience awaits. Next, discover the enchanting world of glowworms. These bioluminescent creatures emit a soft blue-green light that creates a magical ambiance in dark environments. As the larval stage of certain insect species, they use this light to attract prey. One of the most renowned spots to see glowworms is the Waitomo Caves in New Zealand's Waikato region. Visitors can join guided tours through these caves to witness thousands of glowworms lighting up the dark, offering a mesmerizing experience. Another prime location to view them is the Te Anau Caves, around 12,000 years old, located near Milford Sound. This offers travelers the chance to combine 2 of New Zealand's top attractions in one trip. Another must-do activity in New Zealand is exploring the geothermal wonders of Rotorua. From the brightly colored hot springs of Waiotapu to the geological wonders of Hell's Gate, Rotorua is a nature lover's paradise. And if you're looking for a truly unique experience, be sure to visit the Tamaki Maori village for a glimpse into traditional Maori culture. Next, discover the enchanting Wakariwarawa Redwoods Forest near Rotorua. Home to towering Californian redwood trees and a variety of walking and biking trails, this premier spot offers an unforgettable experience. Walk among the forest canopy on suspended walkways and be enchanted by the lanterns and art installations at night. Whether you want to head there for a hike, to marvel at the massive redwoods, or just find some serenity, this park offers it all. Next up, come and experience the magic of Hobbiton. This famous movie set brings to life the iconic Shire from J.R.R. Tolkien's beloved works. Immerse yourself in the beauty and wonder as you explore this top tourist attraction and create memories that will last a lifetime. Even non-fans can appreciate the meticulously designed set featuring charming hobbit holes, lush gardens, and the iconic Green Dragon Inn, all nestled in a picturesque landscape of rolling hills and farmland. Next, experience the majestic Franz Josef Glacier, one of New Zealand's most famous and accessible glaciers. With its dramatic ice formations, crevasses, and seracs, this 12-kilometer-long glacier offers an impressive and awe-inspiring landscape in the Westland Taiputini National Park. Don't miss the chance to visit this natural wonder. Next up, experience the beauty of New Zealand with the Roy's Peak Hike, a 16 kilometers trail with stunning views of the Southern Alps and Lake Wanaka. The challenging uphill climb leads to a famous lookout point and the summit, offering breathtaking panoramas. Embark on this rewarding journey just a short drive from the charming town of Wanaka. With its combination of stunning scenery, a well-defined path, and the sense of accomplishment upon reaching the summit, the Roy's Peak hike is must-do activity for hikers visiting the South Island of New Zealand. Next, for those who love the great outdoors, the Tongariro Alpine Crossing is an absolute must-do. This challenging hike takes you through a stunning volcanic landscape with breathtaking views of Mount Ruapehu and Mount Tongariro. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, You can even take a guided hike to the summit of Mount Tongariro for an unforgettable experience. And if you're looking for an activity that will truly get your heart racing, you have to try skydiving over Lake Taupo. Imagine soaring through the air at 15,000 feet, taking in the stunning views of New Zealand's largest lake before landing safely back on Earth. It's an experience you'll never forget, and one that will leave you grinning from ear to ear for days to come. Skydiving is just one of the many thrilling activities you can experience in New Zealand, but it's definitely one of the most unforgettable. Next, experience the raw beauty of Piha Beach on the Auckland's west coast. Powerful surf, iconic lion rock, and lush native forest make this black sand beach a favorite for experienced surfers and nature lovers alike. The surrounding lush native forest of the Waitakere Ranges is home to scenic walking trails and cascading waterfalls, where you can enjoy activities like hiking and exploring the natural beauty of the area. So, what's your favorite New Zealand activity or experience? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to share your own travel plans and bucket list adventures. I've also included a link to some amazing once-in-a-lifetime adventures and attractions for your own personal customized getaway in the description below. Check it out. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps me bring you more exciting adventures. And if you want more travel tips and guides, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.